Have you ever thought about how weird it would be if the front door to your house opened up to your office or your bedroom or your kitchen? Thankfully, architects think about this and create some kind of foyer or entrance into your house so your guests aren't awkwardly walking into some other room. And the whole reason I'm talking about houses today is because your website is kind of like a house. You want people to clearly know where they should go. If you're a business owner and you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I post a weekly video helping you save time and look good online, which is why we're talking about your website organization today. There are a lot of things that go into website organization, but today we are just talking about your website navigation. And there are 3 things that I want you to remember about your website navigation. First, you want to make sure you are removing clutter. It really is best if you have about 4 to 5 links in your navigation so you're not overwhelming people with too many options. One of the easiest ways to start doing this is taking home out of your navigation menu. On most websites, you can just click the logo to go to the home page. But honestly, how often do you go back to a home page? Most of the time, the home page is just kind of like a welcome mat. There's no crucial information, whereas the services page, there's probably just that information there. The pricing, when they can start, etc. Second, just use your navigation menu to house those super important links that you want people to go to. If we go back to that house analogy, imagine having friends over for dinner and you're like, here's our kitchen, here's our living room, there's the bathroom if you need it. That makes sense, but you're not really gonna be like, here's our hall closet and our laundry room. Like, they don't need to know that information. The key to reducing clutter and keeping those most important links in your navigation menu is just linking to other pages between pages. Your frequently asked questions probably doesn't need to go in the navigation menu, but it would make a great link or a button on your services page. The other thing is that you want your navigation to be clear. Sometimes creatives like to start using descriptive words like journal, experience, things like that that don't really make sense. You can use those words on the page itself, but in the navigation menu, you want to be sure it's really clear what they're clicking on. I know it might seem funny to have a whole video about website navigation, but it's super important because if people can't find what they're looking for, they're going to leave. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.